Alright guys, so welcome to part 2 of this video where I'm going to remind you guys that this is the Monoprice mini resin printer. Yes it is. It's going to come with 2 of these trays, which is going to make it a lot easier for my buddy Russell to do like batch printing and stuff like that. I think I do have an extra screen or 2 in case the screen decides to break, and a whole new case should the thing fall apart. So all of that should be hopefully invaluable and do well. I don't know. Hopefully we'll get him to do some live streams and stuff like that from his wherever he works from. He can do some cool things with that and show us how cool that is. But anyway, so this is going to make some space for this other red printer, which I haven't unboxed yet. Well, let's say
Likey